Ever wondered which is better for data processing? ETL or ELT? It's a question that has sparked many a heated debate in the world of data science. But fear not, for today, we're going to decipher this mystery. ETL and ELT. They might seem like random acronyms, but they stand for two distinct processes that are integral to data management and analysis. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, while ELT stands for extract, load, transform. A slight change in order, you might think, but it's a change that makes a world of difference. Imagine being a chef. ETL is like prepping all your ingredients, chopping, dicing, and marinating before you start cooking. You're making sure everything is in order before you begin the process. On the other hand, ELT is like tossing everything into the pot and then starting the cooking process. It's about getting started quickly and making adjustments as you go along. In the context of data processing, ETL is a process where data is extracted from various sources, transformed into a suitable format, and then loaded into a database or data warehouse. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that the data is cleaned, validated, and ready for analysis even before it enters the data warehouse. ELT, on the other hand, follows a slightly different approach. Data is extracted and loaded into the data warehouse as is, and the transformation occurs there. This means you're working with raw, unfiltered data, which can be both a boon and a bane. The ETL process is like a well-oiled machine, methodical and precise. It ensures high-quality, accurate data, making it ideal for structured and semi-structured data. It's perfect when dealing with sensitive data where accuracy is paramount and there's no room for error. On the flip side, ELT is like a wild stallion, fast and untamed. It's ideal for handling large volumes of data, particularly unstructured data. It offers more flexibility, allowing for real-time data processing and analysis. It's the go-to choice when speed is of the essence and you're dealing with vast, diverse data. But here's the kicker. Neither ETL nor ELT is inherently superior to the other. They're simply different tools in a data scientist's toolbox. The choice between ETL and ELT depends largely on the specific requirements of your project. If you're dealing with large volumes of unstructured data and need quick insights, ELT might be your best bet. But if you're working with sensitive, structured data where accuracy is crucial, ETL might be the way to go. So, to wrap things up, ETL and ELT are two different approaches to data processing. ETL is methodical and precise, ensuring high-quality data, ideal for structured and sensitive data. ELT, meanwhile, is fast and flexible, perfect for handling large volumes of unstructured data and providing real-time insights. The choice between the two depends on your specific data needs. Remember, in the world of data processing, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The key is to understand your data, your requirements, and choose the approach that best suits your needs. So next time you're faced with the ETL versus ELT conundrum, you'll know exactly what to do.